Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen recipes. In this video I'll be showing how to make healthy cabbage manchurian. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. For making an cabbage manchurian, take a mixing bowl and add 2 cups of grated cabbage, half cup of grated carrot, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt as required, half teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1/3 cup of corn flour, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Mix them well together. If required, add little water or flour and mix it. Roll and shape them into small balls as shown. Make them into small balls and keep them aside. Heat the PONGANALLU or PANIYARAM pan in low-medium heat. Add oil in all the molds. Transfer cabbage mixture balls into the PANIYARAM pan. Add oil on the top. Flip to other side and cook evenly on both the sides. Roast till both the sides turns golden and crisp. Transfer them to a plate. Now for making the Manchurian mixture, heat a pot. Add 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 green chillies finely chopped, 4 to 5 garlic cloves finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of ginger finely chopped. Stir and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 small sized onion finely chopped. Add 5 to 6 chopped spring onions and salt as required. Saute them well till onions turn transparent. Add 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Saute them well in low heat. Add half teaspoon of crushed pepper and give it a mix. And now add the cornflour water. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornflour in 4 tablespoons of water. Mix them well and cook it for a minute. Now add the fried cabbage dumplings and give it a mix. Coat them well with the Manchurian mixture. Add the chopped green onions. Give it a mix and turn off the heat. Healthy cabbage manchurian is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.